Hi guys, I'm Tel Concepcion of tellmewhy.com and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video guys, we are going to try to recreate Jennie's How You Like That look. Ayan, so ipapakita ko dito sa ating screen yung ating peg for our makeup look. Ayan, so without further ado, let's get on with this video. Okay guys, so let's start off this video by accessorizing. So looking at Jennie's photo, meron siyang suot na chain necklace, and I thought this fiery chain necklace that I bought from Shopee, similar looking necklace. Parang may dating tayo habang gumagawa tayo ng makeup. Next, tayo ay mamili ng earrings. Ayan, so actually looking at Jennie, wala ba siyang earrings? Oh, I initially wanted to use these earrings pa naman. Ito parang asymmetrical earrings. I bought this from Lily Pad Manila. Ililink ko sila down below. So ayan, para mag-stick tayo to an authentic looking lookbook. Mag-earrings pa rin ako, kaso something more simple na lang. So, studded earrings na lang. Okay, so without further ado, let's start with our makeup. Oh my gosh, ang dumi ng aking foundation. Anyway, so ito yung gagamitin nating foundation. L'Oreal Paris True Match Satin Smooth Liquid Foundation in G3. Oh, and by the way guys, I forgot to tell you, I already prepped my face using Elana's Mineral Cosmetics Blur Primer. And then for my concealer, I will use Maybelline's Super Stay Concealer in the shade of Sable 20. Then I'm just gonna use my finger to lightly blend it all together. And then I'm going to set my face using Snowy's Extraordinaire Powder or Poudre. Paano ba to i-pronounce? Poudre. And so I'm just going to leave it on for a little bit and mag-contour tayo guys. So like with mga Korean trends or yung Korean makeup, very subtle lang kasi yung mga pagko-contour nila. Ayan, so I'm just going to contour my cheekbone, then jawline, para mas lumiit yung ating face tingnan sa ating forehead. By the way guys, I'm using Benefit's Cheerleader Bronze Squad Palette for my contour. And ito siya, yung ating Hoola Pan. So I dusted off our under eye area and nose area. I don't really need to bake that much naman today. So ngayon naman, contour din natin yung ating nose para mas defined siya. Starting off from our eyebrow area, going down to our nostrils. So again, kung napapansin niyo sa mga Korean trends, very subtle lang sila mag-contour. Subtle, but you can see a difference. Talagyan na yung aking phone. Okay, so now, let's move on to my eyebrows. So, I'm going to use, oh my gosh, sobrang pudpud na. Yung aking Snowy What's Up Brow Pencil. Medyo flat brow. Tama ba ang term ko? Ang flat brow nung eyebrows ni Jennie. Tatry ko na lang hindi siya masyado i-arch since may arch yung aking eyebrow shape. Kung medyo kinapalan ko yung ditong part than I normally do, para lang magkaroon siya ng konting flat brow effect. Okay, so now I'm done with my eyebrows and oh my gosh, favorite part, yung aking eyeshadow. Okay, so first I'm just going to wash over my whole eyelids using our Hoola Pan. Oh my gosh guys, naririnig niyo ba yun? Sobrang lakas ng ulan ngayon sa amin. Ayan, so parang similar na yung color sa first layer ni Jennie. Next is, let's add a little bit of depth sa ating eyes using Hoola Caramel. Super ganda ng palette na to guys, lalo sa mga morena tones like me. And then, I am going to combine it with this palette. Itong ating Novo eyeshadow palette na napakita ko sa isang Shopee haul video. If you guys wanna check it out, I'll link it also down below. Then, ang gagamitin naman natin dito is itong parang may pagka-mauve shade. So, I'll just use this smaller angled brush para mas precise. And ilalagay ko lang siya sa akin almost, ano na din, middle to upper lash line. So, I'm just trying to mimic yung pagka-gradient ng eyeshadow ni Jennie. Yan. So, ang ganda na ng pagka-neutral gradient ng ating eyes. Kita ko, soft blur lang yung kanyang eyeliner. So, I'm just going to use an eyeshadow palette ulit. Yung ating Snowy Primary Paint Palette naman. And I'm going to use this black color to line my eyes. Back, very pigmented talaga tong si Snowy Primary Paint Palette. Then, just wing it pataas para meron tayong wingtip. So, I'm going to apply this mauvey brown again sa aking mata. Parang di pa ako satisfied. Gusto ko pa siya lagyan naman nitong brown eyeshadow from Snowy Primary Paint Palette. Ito lang sa outer edge. For my lips, I'm using Maybelline in Midtown Pink. Midtown Pink yung tawag kaso nakikita nyo naman, brownish, nudish tone siya. Then, I'm just gonna top it off with this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. Kasi may konting pagka-gloss yung kanyang lippy. Super bango nitong gloss na to, guys. Amoy bubblegum. Ayan. So, now that we're done with our makeup, I know, ang haba no aking eyelashes compared dun kay Jennie. Sorry guys, ito lang kasi yung meron akong falsies dito sa bahay. So anyways, I think achieved pa rin naman yung ating eyeshadow look and nude lippy color with Jennie's. And now let's proceed sa ating hair. So dito sa picture ni Jennie, siya ay may middle part. So may middle part na natin siya and I'm just going to grab a handful for each side ng aking face. And so, makakasama niya dito yung aking bangs. I'm just going to curl these sections with a flat iron. Ayan. So, I've now curled my hair. Ayan. So, para mas mapanipis pa natin yung kanyang kulot, we can twist it and twirl it like so. Ayan. Para mas lumipis pa yung dating ng pagkakulot niya. Katulad ng kay Jennie. Ayan. So, now we are going to change into our outfit. First up, my skirt. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, dito sa skirt ni Jennie, sparkly siya, no? Kaso wala kasi akong sparkly skirt. Feel ko kasi medyo similar yung tones and colors ng pagka-stripe no skirt na ito with a Jennie skirt. I have here my Levi's denim jacket. So, it's actually a cropped jacket. Tapos, I just buttoned it ng pa-criss-cross dito sa isang button sa side ng aking baywang. Ayan. So, medyo masikip siya. Kaso, tiis ganda tayo para kay Jennie. And then, for my shoes, I just chose this chunky pair of sneakers, my Fillet Disruptors. Then, I also paired it with this parang athletic type of socks. Ano ba tawag dito? Tennis socks? Baseball socks? Kasi yan, gets nyo na yung may stripe na socks. And with that, my Jennie-inspired lookbook is complete! Ayan. So, what do you think, guys? Na-achieve ba natin yung ating Jennie-inspired look?
She likes chocolate-covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby.
And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys still haven't yet, please click that red button down below. Click subscribe. And oh my gosh, guys, kung hindi pa rin kayo nakakasali sa ating 2,000 pesos worth of Oxycure and Beauty Products giveaway, panoorin nyo lang po yung ating honest review of our Oxycure Beauty Products. And I hope you guys join. Also, if you guys have more suggestions kung ano pang mga K-drama or K-pop looks na pwede natin ma-recreate, comment lang down below. I'm always G sa mga ganyan. Also, please check out my website at tellmey.com and all of my other social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok are all under the usernames tellmey. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!
Baby girl, be mine.
Ha! How you like that? We gon' like that. Da 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 da.